import all of your clips. Make sure to have 3 Polaroid frames, 3 pictures, and 3 PNGs, and 2 background layers. Hide the 3 PNGs and start framing each of these pictures into the Polaroid frames. You can change the X and Y axis in the edit shape to change the size. Now select the picture with the Polaroid and click on the first grouping option. Do the same for all the other layers. Now click on the green background layer, click on the 3 dots, and fill composition area. Go to blending and opacity and add keyframes at the start and end. At the start, make it 0. Now add this graph. And copy it. Unhide the Polaroid frames and lay them out however you like. And unhide the PNGs and lay them out however you would like. Go to the start of the clip and add a text. Select your font. Make the color bright, and then go to border and shadow and add a stroke. Now click on the first Polaroid, go to Effects, and add page curl. Rotate the angle and the radius. Make sure the opacity of back of the layer is at 20, and all of the others are 0. Now add progress keys at the start and end. The start is completely up to you. Paste the mid-curve. Now copy this effect and paste them onto the other layers. But now change the angles. You can also change the progress and radius. Finally, paste it onto the third layer. Change the angle and progress and radius. Now go to the cherry PNG and add move keys at the start and end. At the start, move it out of frame. And now paste your graph. Go to the camera PNG and add move keys at the start and end. And paste the graph. For the swirl, add a scale key in the middle and a couple of frames after. On the first key, make it 0. And then add a curve with a bounce. And now add the same move keys at the text, at the start and end. Now group the top few layers together. And add opacity keys at the start and end. At the start, make it 0. And then paste this graph. Lastly, add a rectangle and fit the composition area. Adjust the duration and select all layers and click on the second grouping option. Now add scale keys at the start and end. And on the end, zoom it in. Now paste the mid-graph and you're done. You can now add your effects and shakes.